All right, guys, day 3 back here at Lux Automotive for the pickup of our 2026 Tacoma. Let's jump in, see this thing all wrapped up. All right, guys, back here at the shop. Last day, Alden, we did it.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Last day, it is finally ready for delivery.
It's ready for
the
pickup.
wrap, every detail has been just immaculately taken care of. You got to come check out the level of details. This is what you get from a premium shop like Lux with a premium film like LLumar. Every single edge wrapped, no gloss showing through. We've got the full truck wrapped up in LLumar's matte PPF with that matte black tuxedo top. Looks absolutely
turned out
phenomenal. So yeah, it really does.
Yeah, such a nice
really does.
To have on there.
You ready to get it on the trails?
Ready to get on the trails. Now
ready to get it out on the road.
Protect this paint.
Protected from the tree branches, the brushes, the rocks, rock chips, driving down the highway. Yeah, paint protection film is the move. If you're going to off-road your vehicles, I mean, you know, you're going to off-road your vehicle. Yeah. None of that pinstriping down your paint. It's going to be easier to clean. It's going to stay looking fresh. And you get that unique look with the matte finish on that beautiful Mudbath color. I think it's, yeah,
the matte turned out really good.
Excellent.
On this. And then tint as well, right?
Tint, so it's got the full car LLumar Pinnacle window tint. So it's going to give you 99% UV and IR heat rejection. So you're not getting sunburn. You're not dealing with all the heat on, you know, the highway as you're driving around or out on the trails. AC is going to be super freaking cold. It's going to help protect your interior, keep it lasting nice, in good quality, longer, protected from the sun damage. Yeah, be rolling around in style.
Yeah, it just turned out great. And to your point, all the detail on any of this here, just the lines are so good. And legal tint, right? You know, keeping it there, but just turned out super great. I'll show you the back end of this here. But they moved around our rough country cat, but it looks great. Puts up a couple different accents here, but overall, man, just couldn't be happier with how this turned out. You guys killed it.
Good.
Yeah, excited to get it out here.
Yeah, this is a fun project. I love doing the gloss to matte color changes. I call them color changes, even though they stay the same color. But you actually get to see the transformation, which is really exciting because most of the other stuff that we do in the shop is gloss, so it's it's invisible. This is still invisible, but it's just that sheen difference. It's super fun to watch the transformation of a project like this.
Well, and you forget that it went from, this happens to be right here, this Lexus. It went from this gloss finish to this, you know, really cool matte finish, which to each their own, but love how this kind of ultimately ended. And
the way the light just grabs those body lines with that LLumar matte film it's gonna look so good in the sun.
And we'll pull it out here in a minute. We'll pull it out into the sun here, so we'll do a little bit of shot so you can see what that looks like. But man, you guys did great. Thanks so much.
Thanks for bringing the project in.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Thanks LLumar and Lux, obviously, for just a great job. This is our second truck we've done with them, and just premium. It's really great. So, all right, let's pull this thing out. All right, we've got it pulled back out here now in the sun. Check out this matte on the Mudbath in the sun here. You still get a little bit of that metallic that kind of shines through, but really just so good when you look at it here in the sun. See if I can get a good glimpse of it here. See it kind of shine through there, but Just looks great. Alright guys, we're back here at the shop with the 26 Mudbath Tacoma. Last we left, we were just picking this up from Lux, doing kind of our final walk around on it. And so it's been a few weeks since then, and I wanted to do just a little bit of a final walk around of the matte PPF we did with LLumar. Hopefully you found it educational. Like I said, if you're considering doing this, it's great to know a little bit about what the process is like, what are your options as a consumer, and ultimately what goes into creating a matte PPF look like this. Again, big thanks to LLumar and Lux for doing such a great job on this mud bath. The matte just continues to kind of grow and pop, and we get so many compliments and people asking, oh, is that paint, is that wrap? It's like, yeah, it's a little bit of both with that PPF. But yeah, like I said, a couple weeks later here, it's a little bit dirtier than it was. Obviously when we picked it up, it was pristine, but there's been zero issues with the PPF moving, bubbles, lifting. It's been really just consistent. We've had multiple wraps in the past, and you usually have to kind of keep an eye out for any kind of settling and lifting, but this has had absolutely none of that. So been incredibly impressed with the quality of both the workmanship and the product that's gone into this. You may notice we did remove the rear topper on the back here. That's another video of what we're going to do there, but and it's great to have that look of just the truck without the topper again. But overall, like I said, thanks everyone for following along with the 3-part series. Big kudos again to Lux and LLumar for being willing to partner on this build and this PPF wrap. Feel free in the comments if you have additional questions or thoughts. Feel free to ping us. If we don't know the answer, we'll go to the professionals and get them. But anyway guys, thanks as always for tuning to the channel, and we'll look forward to the next adventure. Thanks everybody.